morning, viewer. Welcome to our Glory Globe TV. Here's really a breaking news. Yeah, teeny fragments of plastics known as microplastics and nanoplastics are now so widespread in the environment that they regularly make their way into our bodies through the food we eat, the water we drink, and even the air we breathe. A new study from the University of Rhode Island's College of Pharmacy reports that these particles can travel throughout the body, reaching organs such as the brain, where they may build up and contribute to conditions resembling Alzheimer diseases. This research builds on earlier work showing that microplastics are capable of passing through the blood-brain barrier, a natural defense system that usually shields the brain from harmful agents as tiny as viruses and bacteria. Assistant Professor Jaime Ross extended the investigation to explore how these plastics affect brain function. Her team's results suggest that the accumulation of micro and nanoplastics in the brain may play a role in memory loss and cognitive decline too, particularly in people with certain genetic risk factors for Alzheimer's. Ross' latest study, published recently in the journal Environmental Research Communication, examined mice that had been genetically modified to include the naturally occurring gene APOE4, a strong indicator of Alzheimer's risks, making people 3.5 times more likely to develop the disease than those who carry the APOE3 variant of the gene that is passed from parent of offspring. In these mice, like in people, it is not a guarantee that you are going to see any changes in cognition. You could have identically twins both carrying APOE4, one totally cognitively healthy, and others could develop Alzheimer's disease, Ross said. So that tells us there are some things about lifestyle, something about the environment going on. So there are modifiable factors we are studying related to Alzheimer's: diet, exercise, vitamins, and especially environmental toxins like microplastic. If you carry the APOE4 and you happen to consume a lot of microplastic, will this contribute to Alzheimer's disease? To find out, Ross and her team exposed two groups of mice, one with the APOE4 variant and one with APOE3, to micro and nanoplastic in their drinking water over a period of 3 weeks. The tiny particles from polystyrene, among the most abundant plastics in the world, found in styrofoam takeout containers, plastic cups, and more, infiltrated the mice organs, including the brain, as expected. The research included a control group from each APOE designations did not receive microplastic exposure. Behind this exclusive report